Do you hate those scrappy, old, bumpy wheels? I got a legit solution just for you. First, when you start the game, you're going to be using these scrap wheels. But, as you can already know, you can craft these better wheels. And to get them, first of all, you'll need to locate the mechanic station, and inside of here, craft the craft bot. From here, you'll see that the wheel option recipe is going to be unlocked from the beginning. And to craft it, all you need to do is gather some wooden blocks, metal blocks, and beeswax. Wood blocks can be gathered by harvesting some trees for scrap wood, and then refining it into wooden blocks inside of the craft bot. The metal block can be crafted from some scrap metal blocks, which you can harvest from hay bots, which are the orange bots that have a fork. And lastly, beeswax can be found on rock formations, like this right here. As you can see, I found some beehives on this side of the rock. And just go ahead and slice it with your sledgehammer, collect it from the ground. And once you collected all of it that you need, here you can go ahead and craft the wheels inside of the craft bot. Also, be sure to check the spot inside of this mechanic station, because there is going to be a wheel located right here, which you can use. So you don't have to craft all 4 or 3 wheels, depending on your vehicle. So this is pretty much all, how to get better wheels in Scrap Mechanic. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.